If you're waiting for motivation to return before you study, you're going to wait a long time. Some days you don't feel lazy. You feel empty. Books are open. Time is available. But the drive just isn't there. No excitement. No urgency. Just resistance. And every motivational video feels useless. After observing students during long preparation phases, one truth becomes unavoidable. High performers don't rely on motivation, especially when it disappears. Motivation is unreliable. Studying must work without it. The real skill is knowing how to move when motivation is gone. This is where most advice goes wrong. Motivation is an emotion. Emotions fluctuate. If your study system depends on feeling inspired, it will collapse under pressure. This is why students say, "I know what to do, I just can't start." The problem isn't discipline, it's activation. When motivation is low, the brain avoids large, undefined tasks. Study biology feels heavy. Revise everything feels impossible. Top students don't fight this feeling. They work around it. They reduce the task until starting feels almost too easy. They don't aim to feel motivated. They aim to create motion. Because once motion starts, the brain follows. Motivation often comes after action, not before. Once you stop waiting to feel motivated, studying becomes possible on any day, even the worst ones. Here's the real method for studying when motivation is dead. Step 1. Shrink the task until it feels trivial. Don't plan hours. Plan 5 to 10 minutes, one page, one question, one concept. Starting matters more than finishing. Step 2. Remove choice. Decide in advance what you'll study. No deciding in the moment. Choice drains energy. Step 3. Study without emotion. Don't ask, "Do I feel like it?" Ask, "What's the next small action?" Emotion is irrelevant here. Step 4. Stop early on purpose and while you still have energy. This trains consistency, not burnout. If motivation has been missing, don't judge yourself. You're not broken. You're human. The goal isn't to feel driven every day. The goal is to keep moving even on flat days. When you study without relying on motivation, something powerful happens. Consistency replaces intensity. Progress replaces guilt. Confidence grows quietly. Not because you felt inspired, but because you showed up even when you didn't. If you're serious about becoming a future-ready student, not just scoring better, but thinking clearer, then this isn't a one-time video. This is a series on future-ready student intelligence. Each episode is designed to sharpen how you study, how you decide, and how you respond under pressure when it actually matters. So subscribe, not for motivation, but for decision-changing clarity, the kind that quietly upgrades your thinking and stays with you long after the exam is over.